Top dating tips for beginners. How to start dating with confidence. Embarking on the journey of dating can be both exciting and nerve-wracking, especially for beginners. Whether you're entering the dating world for the first time, re-entering after a break, or simply looking to improve your dating experiences, understanding the key tips for dating with confidence is essential. The good news is that with the right mindset, practical advice, and a little self-assurance, you can make the most of your dating experiences, connect with others authentically, and have fun while doing it. In this video, we'll explore the top dating tips for beginners, focusing on how to start dating with confidence. Whether you're navigating online dating or meeting people in person, these tips will help you approach dating in a relaxed, positive, and confident way. 1. Focus on self-confidence and self-worth. Why it matters. Confidence is key to successful dating. Feeling good about yourself and understanding your self-worth are fundamental for building healthy relationships. When you're confident, you're more likely to attract positive attention, approach dating with an open heart, and handle challenges with resilience. How to practice it. Work on self-love. Before you start dating, take time to understand your value and learn to appreciate yourself. This could involve reflecting on your strengths, accomplishments, and the qualities that make you unique. Self-affirmations and positive self-talk can also help improve your confidence. Avoid negative comparisons. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others, especially in the world of dating. Instead, focus on your own personal growth and strengths, and remember that everyone is on their own journey. Take care of yourself. Confidence often begins with how you take care of your physical and mental health. Regular exercise, eating well, and engaging in activities that promote mental well-being will help boost your confidence and self-esteem. 2. Understand your dating goals. Why it matters. Before diving into the dating pool, it's important to understand what you're looking for. Are you looking for something casual or a committed relationship? Knowing your goals will help you approach dating with clarity and prevent wasting time or energy on situations that don't align with your intentions. How to practice it. Reflect on what you want. Spend some time thinking about what you truly want out of dating. Do you want a long-term relationship, or are you interested in meeting new people and having fun? Knowing your dating goals will guide your actions and conversations with potential partners. Be honest about your intentions. When you start dating, be upfront with the people you meet about your intentions. Honesty and transparency will help you find like-minded individuals who are looking for the same type of connection. 3. Take baby steps and set realistic expectations. Why it matters. Dating is a process, not a race. Taking small, realistic steps toward meeting people and forming connections can help alleviate the pressure and allow you to ease into the experience. Setting realistic expectations will also prevent disappointment and frustration when things don't move as quickly as you might hope. How to practice it. Go at your own pace. There's no need to rush into a relationship or feel pressure to go on multiple dates each week. Take things one step at a time and let connections naturally evolve. Manage expectations. Understand that not every date will lead to a lifelong partnership, and that's okay. Enjoy the experience of meeting new people, learning about their personalities, and seeing where things go without putting too much pressure on yourself or the situation. 4. Be open-minded and open to new experiences. Why it matters. One of the best aspects of dating is the opportunity to meet people from all walks of life. Keeping an open mind allows you to embrace new experiences and gives you the chance to form connections with people who might not fit your usual type. How to practice it. Don't judge based on appearances alone. Physical attraction is important, but don't overlook emotional and intellectual connections. Keep an open mind about who might be a great match, even if they don't meet all of your superficial criteria. Try new things together. On dates, try something out of the ordinary that you wouldn't typically do on your own. Exploring new activities with a potential partner can help build a deeper connection and create lasting memories. 5. Master the art of conversation. Why it matters. Great conversation is the backbone of any successful date. Engaging, interesting conversations help you connect with others and reveal whether there's chemistry between you and your date. If you struggle with small talk or find it difficult to engage in meaningful conversations, don't worry, you can improve with practice. How to practice it. Ask open-ended questions. Rather than asking simple yes or no questions, ask your date open-ended questions that spark deeper conversation. For example, instead of "Do you like traveling?" try, "What's your favorite travel destination and why?" Listen actively. Listening is just as important as speaking. Make sure you're genuinely listening to your date's responses and asking follow-up questions based on what they say. This shows that you're interested in them as a person and encourages a deeper connection. Sticks. Use online dating apps effectively. Why it matters. Online dating apps and websites have become incredibly popular for meeting new people, but they can feel overwhelming for beginners. The key to using dating apps effectively is being strategic, clear about your intentions, and open to new possibilities. How to practice it. Choose the right dating platform. There are many dating apps out there, so choose one that aligns with your dating goals. If you're looking for a long-term relationship, apps like Hinge or Harmony may be better suited for you, while apps like Bumble or Tinder may work for casual dating. Create a genuine profile. Be honest and authentic in your profile. Use recent photos and write a bio that reflects your true self and your interests. Highlight what makes you unique without trying to impress or exaggerate. 7. Embrace rejection and learn from it. Why it matters. Rejection is a natural part of dating, and it's something that everyone experiences at some point. While it can be painful, rejection doesn't define your worth. Learning to handle rejection with grace is essential for maintaining confidence and moving forward in your dating journey. How to practice it. Don't take it personally. If someone isn't interested in pursuing a relationship with you, remember that it's not a reflection of your value as a person. Everyone has different preferences and priorities, and a mismatch doesn't mean you're not worthy of love. Learn from the experience. Instead of dwelling on rejection, use it as an opportunity to grow. Reflect on what you could learn from the experience and focus on what went well during the date. Each interaction is a chance to improve your dating skills. Keep a positive attitude. Rejection is part of the process, and every no brings you one step closer to a yes. Stay positive, keep an open mind, and keep putting yourself out there. 8. Have fun and enjoy the process. Why it matters. Dating doesn't have to be stressful or overly serious. The more you approach dating with a fun, lighthearted attitude, the more enjoyable and fulfilling the experience will be. After all, dating is about connecting with others and having meaningful experiences, so why not make it fun? How to practice it. Keep an open heart. Be open to new experiences, interesting conversations, and potential connections. Focus on enjoying the journey, even if the outcome is uncertain. Let go of perfection. There's no such thing as a perfect date or perfect relationship. Don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself or your date. Focus on having a good time and seeing where things lead. Celebrate small wins. Whether you have a great conversation, make a new friend, or just enjoy trying something new, celebrate the small victories along the way. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.